Guys, how are you all today? And it's like day number, I'm not sure what day is it, but like it's the 22nd of March, and as you can tell, we're already busy outside, so it's a late intro, and we've done some things that I haven't recorded yet because I haven't visited my uncle in days, and even when I visit him, he works on the car at night. See, so like, yeah, let's get into the video. Let me show you what we have done today. Yeah, so that's that, and my uncle took all this wire out, all these wires out. So he fixed some. Wait, let me check. I think it was this one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it was. Oh, it was this one. He fixed this wire, and now the door opens. That door couldn't open at all, and yeah. He said we still have to take out that battery and check. Oh, we're not taking out that battery. We have to change the battery on the key and see if the car starts again, because it's been days since this car has started and this thing doesn't work. It's dead. Yeah, it's dead. And when we start the car, oh, they took it out. Wait, oh, they took it out. When we start the car, there's diesel that's supposed to be pouring inside that tank, the little tank that stays here, but it's only drops that come out here. So we wanna figure that out, and yeah, we thought this was the problem, why the car wasn't starting, but we're not sure. Still trying to figure it out. See, yeah. So yeah. So what my uncle is trying to do here, he's trying to get this straight because it was bent in, it was kept in. I'll show you all the picture. Yeah, you can see what I'm talking about, but like it was bent in. So I was putting that rock in there, that rock in there, trying to get it to be straight. Like, we're hitting it upwards so it can be straight, because now it's inwards. So yeah, it's more like, it's, you see in camber, it's toe in, so we must camber it out a little bit so it can be straight. See, like right now the right side is not straight and the left side is straight, but it's basically the left side that is not good. The left side should go a bit more to the left, like open up, so they can both be straight. The right side is perfect, it's just the position that I'm in, the position that I'm in, but like it's the left side that is a problem. So we're gonna fix that, then go to the next clip.
ubona ngathi izoba right Petra. Ubona noma ubona ngathi izoba right.
Ithena nje. Ubona ithena. Ngimane ithena nyana.
Oh.
Ase Petra.
As you can see, Raiche is trying to put back the screw inside, but like it needs him to turn it upwards a bit, so he doesn't want to do that. He's trying to make it go in straight, because once you install that thing back, like it's a problem. So as you can see right here, this is way bent, it's going to the left side, so we have to turn it to the right side. So that's what we're basically doing here. So yeah, it's just experience. Once we get to do this once, twice, the next time it will be easy. But like right now we're using whatever we can do right now, like using the bricks to get straight. See, because now my uncle is the mastermind in this situation, so he's gonna come with other solutions, then we're gonna do it and it's gonna go straight. So yeah.
Okay Petra. Manje enze kanje. Ngifasa lapha ne.
Yeah.
Izojikisa ifasile.
Okay, thina lokugcina nje. Ngicela umunye angibambelele isitina lesi. Kailangan.
Faka kunjani istable like.
The most important thing ukuthi
Mana le kushuthi benjalo akusinkinga singayikokota from now. Oh, that's one way to separate it.
Petra. Angutshela na into one. Ngeke ibeke ibe straight. Obana ngcono ifasa lapha ne. Obana ndithi ibeke ibe straight. Manje ibeka lapha. Hayi ingena
ayibona ngathi uyakhalaza ukuthi ayikho straight.
Ayikho straight anithi ne. Manje ngeke ifaka nithi ayiselanga izo ayikuyichisela ne. Wayikhotha uyibeka uyibethi. Wayigo. And then no. Ifast. Izoyigoba ngathi. Ayiso lapha.
Hayi mina sengijabulile wengakhona. Ngithi sengikhalela wena. Ukuthi wena uthe Petra ayikho straight.
Wena.
Petra sakhuluma isisuthu manje u-understand.
Enangazi ngamuza sikhuluma yazi. Usikhuluma phambi kwakho mina ngazi. Noma ngithi yamuza ukuthi awukhuluma isisuthu ngibuze
Ukhuluma
mina angikhulumi mina isisuthu. Uma ngikhulumisa isisuthu ngiphendula isisuthu. Suit you guys understand, ane? But I was cool. right. Yeah, see you. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Bilang baban. Oh, okay. Oh, tingin pegi kasi kan. Sure. Yeah, bon. Understand everything sure. So right now I'm gonna skip that part where we putting back in everything else. We're gonna put back in the tire and we're gonna move the car from that side to under the shelter there. So yeah, catch you when we're done. So while we were putting everything back in, we figured out that this steering knuckle couldn't turn. It was just not turning. So like we took it to an arc welder so he can heat it up because it's aluminium. So he heated it up and we decided to heat it so maybe it could go back into position, like back straight a little bit, because that other piece is from the other Audi Q7. So yeah, we used it as reference, as how it should be, how straight it should be. So you'll probably get what happened here. So I'll fast forward the clips and the videos so you can see the rest of this. Because this is all that's happening here. We're just hitting it up and hitting it with the hammer, hitting it until it becomes straight, like it becomes better, because it was way curved, so we uncurved it a little bit. So yeah. When it there? Cutting trim. Wah, langsung gue cakap. Ini ada yang mundur dari masih. Yo, langsung naik pada usah punya motor. Naik pada. Aduh, kaki tak ada. So you'll probably know these self-made engineers by now that we like doing things ourselves, but like the mechanic had some extraordinary powers this day. Like everything he hits was breaking. Like look at this brake, like everything was breaking. Every time he hits, the brakes would break. So like we used that to our advantage. So like, yeah, we kept on hitting. That's why you'll see my uncle less. So like, yeah, but I'll just play like 2 more clips and then you'll see what went on. Then yeah. Like this mechanic was on something, maybe 8 more fights in the morning, but like every rock that we put there for him, it breaks. So like, yeah, this guy was extremely powerful. We had Hulk in South Africa because there was way too much power. So now that we checked that it was aligned and we all agreed that it was straight enough, we just went home. Say indicate. Uncle. So I indicate. Yenzani. Okay, ow. Yeah, like just cut this man. I'm a hazard now, I like. Oh, like just cut this man. Oh yeah, that's it. So we basically didn't know where the problem was, but like my uncle was just touching around, checking.
I think he was cut.
The problem was the more he touched the wires, it was glitching, like turning on and off, sometimes staying on. Yeah, he ended up checking the fuse box there. That maybe the problem is the switch or just flip right now. So he was just checking, touching around and checking where the problem is. So we'll keep on looking until he finds that the problem might be by the door, the wires that are going through the door. So yeah. as you saw in that video that I just took where the indicators are turning on and off, I'll try making voiceovers, just that it takes time getting used to this, see. But like, yeah, there's a problem in that Audi of wiring, so we have to get someone to fix that wiring fault on that car, because right now my uncle is trying to fix it. I'm not sure if he'll succeed, but like right now it's at night and tomorrow my uncle is working, so I'm not sure if he'll be able to fix that thing, because since we fixed the fault of the car overheating, it hasn't been starting. So like, I'm not sure, but like, yeah, we're fixing that right now. And this is the end of my vlog, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. It's not the end of the series or the episodes, but like, it's the end of vlog for today.